I think where the industry is today between telecommunications and cloud computing is it's at the beginning. We see our customers getting into the cloud market. A lot of cases are getting in as a first step, buying cloud hosting companies, data centers, using their existing data centers to offer services to enterprise customers. A lot of it is just entering the market. So we're offering, we're an enterprise, and we have applications, platforms, software running. What's going to be the impact of cloud on our internal operations?
So the Alcatel-Lucent Cloud is our new delivery vehicle to bring our portfolio out to the marketplace. It addresses 3 concerns of our customers. 1, speed. 2, reduce risk. And 3, complete flexibility. The customer now has the option to try our services before they actually purchase them. They don't have to do a long analysis and say, is this the next big thing? They can simply try it. And if it is, great. The cloud enables that solution to scale to meet the demands, really based on consumption. At the same time, we can deliver that solution very quickly, within the matter of minutes to days now, instead of traditional 3 to 6 months of lead time. Part of the cloud is our continued abstraction from the hardware. As a company today, our applications have been tightly coupled with the hardware, and we need to change that mindset.
We wanted to take our software applications that we have right now, which are very much tied with ATCA and also some commercial hardware, and be able to move them into the cloud, take advantage of virtualization as a way of more easily coming up with new configurations. We get asked to do large, to scale very large, as well as scale down with the same software base. And virtualization gives us a good tool with which to do that, and that's kind of the first step towards moving toward the cloud.
You don't need to embrace all the cloud technology at once. It can be daunting. You have to understand where we are as a company as a whole. And the furthest most of the business units have made is strictly just virtualizing their portfolio today.
So, some typical concerns that a business unit might have is, does it work? Can I make this technology align with the high availability 5 nines infrastructure that I put together? How much effort is it going to take? Can I afford to make the investment? And really, it's probably more of a question, can I afford not to? The other is just how much time can it take? Where are the resources? Can somebody help me with doing?
So you don't need to talk about or think all the advanced cloud capabilities that are out there, the elasticity on day one, the mobility, leveraging the network. That's in the future, and when we're ready, we'll certainly use those capabilities. But today, where are your fellow peers at today is strictly just virtualization. So you may be in a traditional, tightly coupled, dedicated hardware, proprietary hardware platform with your application on top. You may be running on x86 commodity hardware today. You might be one of the few business units who have successfully virtualized their portfolio. There's strictly a journey to cloud. You don't need to embrace it all on day one. So the Alcatel-Lucent Cloud Innovation Center, that's your first introduction to cloud. You don't need to go out and build your own environment, invest heavily. We have the environments here for you. More importantly, we've empowered you. It's self-service. You make the request of what you need. You can build 1 machine, or you can build 50 machines. So HP is a strategic partner of ours, and certainly on our cloud strategy as well. We are partnered with HP, leveraging not only the HP hardware, which is a world-class compute platform, we're also leveraging HP's cloud stack. So once you've cloudified your application, imagine a day when the customer could log into the Alcatel-Lucent marketplace, select the application they're interested in, press the button, and have that delivered via our global cloud. And they could be experiencing your application within the matter of minutes.
The benefit of us doing it is it helps our customers be relevant. It helps them get to market more quickly. It helps us launch our products more quickly and be competitive. It helps us change the dialogue within our customer, moving from engineering to marketing and being able to bridge and manage those relationships together. And last but not least, it helps us improve our profitability.
It's such a pervasive technology in the computing world, and it's really making big inroads into telecommunications. And customers you never would have guessed would have considered cloud computing are now wanting to talk about it. The Verizons, the AT&Ts, the BTs of the world all have plans for this.
Cloud will be the transformative way of doing business for our industry and for Alcatel-Lucent. and that from a business owner perspective, we need to embrace it.